Hey guys, Mike here. So it's day one of the boiler teardown. Check. So they took all the covering off, and they took all of the coils out of the back section. These are what those domestic heating coils look like. So cold water comes in one, hot water goes out the other, and come through here, and the boiler heats it up. So they're all, yeah, you can tell they're all seeing better days. All of them are going to be replaced, all new gauges, all new pressure relief valves. So now that these are out, tomorrow they're going to drain the rest of the water in here, and they're going to pull all this off, and then they're going to start taking all the sections apart. But that's what it looks like, big cast iron sectional boiler. Go around the back here, see what a mess it is back here. Oh wow. Wow, look at that. Tell you, man, it's one dirty job. See, that's one of the sides of the sections there. So, alright, well, that's about what they did for today. So come tomorrow, you guys will see, probably, we're really going to get into it tomorrow. So, alright, see you tomorrow. And we're back. Oh my god. Yes, I know. Lame. Well, looks like they didn't need to take off the burner. Wow. Now, I haven't seen the new coils. Those are the old sections. Here, now, I guess it wasn't, but I could have sworn it was this one. I gotta make sure with the boiler company, because I really hope these fucking guys didn't. Now, nobody said anything about this section. I gotta speak to the boiler company, because I really hope these guys were doing the right one, because I have a feeling it wasn't this. It wasn't this one. I didn't even think it was that far back. Why would they stagger it like that? Because look at the fucking corrosion there. That's where half of it was coming from. So. It's the fucking last thing we need. They better have this shit right before they close it back up, man. But, let's see. Looks like they didn't need to take off the whole burner here. So that's good, and they did it from the side. I guess we're still waiting on the coils. And, yeah. Well, alright. Another update will be tomorrow, when we'll figure out if hopefully they did the right sections. Praying. Oh shit. Hey guys, Mike here. So it's Christmas Eve. Looks like they got all the new coils in place. These are them right here. I guess they gotta pipe them in and put in the new gauges and stuff. That's what it is here. Got them all new gaskets and everything. They're all in place. All 6 of them, all brand new. So they gotta do this one. They still gotta put in, but gotta pipe them in. Gotta really clean up everything when all this is done. It's definitely a mess in here right now. Yeah, they had to take some of the piping off here and stuff. Show you some of the old coils that they took out. Again, there's the new sections. Yeah, and these are the right spot. I double checked with the company. So. Here is what those old coils look like. I don't know if I showed them. I think I did in the last video. But here they are. So the new ones are in place, and looks like they got one more to install. They're probably going to come back after the holiday weekend and put the rest in. So yeah. Oh, look at that. There's a brand new one laying up there. I didn't see that. There it is. Look at that. Beautiful. So that's copper, but the old ones feel like steel. Unless they're just dirty. No, I can feel that's copper. The other ones feel like they're steel. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Brand new. So there's one of the brand new coils right there. Pretty cool. Pretty cool, guys. Alright, well, I'll show you when everything is done and put back together. And she's up and running again. So stay tuned. Filling up the system right now and turn it on. Make sure there's no leaks. Alright guys, well that's a wrap. They're all done with everything. Still got one more section to take out. Probably get it Monday and to put the rest of this on the boiler. They put it all back together. They still got some more stuff to put back on. Looks like those are the old bolts for the sections and stuff like that. We still have the mobile boiler at the moment. You can see we got the hoses here, but the mobile boiler should be going Monday. I'm gonna give this guy a nice good cleaning, wipe them all down with spray 9 and stuff like that. The gas line is all back together. The new coils are in place. The guys put the insulation back on to where it was, and you know, we're back in business here. So the new coils right there. So yeah, the next video you see, this guy will be we'll be firing this guy back up. I'll also be showing you them disconnecting everything. So, and the mobile boiler going away. So that's where we are so far. There will be a part 3. Thanks for watching. Mike out. Well, it's a freezing cold day, and they're starting up the boiler right now. It's just the vapor coming out. It's in a low fire right now. They're going to let it warm up, and then they're going to kick it over into a high fire. So it's like in low 30s right now. So she's running in a low fire. They'll kick it up to a high fire, and yeah, we're gonna be back on our own boiler. Mobile boiler is still hooked up at the moment. Tomorrow they're gonna come to unhook it, and we'll go back onto our boiler. But that's a wrap. That is a wrap.